Now we're going that part over there. Oh. And now let's keep going. I vomited because I keep going too up. No, don't feel like any anymore. Now let's keep going up. We're going until we barf. Just kidding. Okay, let's keep going. The new place is right at the back of this. I've half forgotten. And look at the beautiful view up there. More beautiful views up there. And now let's keep going up until we reach there. The one that has really big trees. This is part. Never mind. Now, just wait. I'm not gonna talk until we reach up there. Oh, you see my own shadow there. And now what's this place? Oh yeah. That one. And we're going up here. We're going up. We're going up until we rest. We can rest up there. There's a lot of chairs. I'll show you the place later. Okay, now we're gonna go up here. Oh my god, that's a really big dragonfly there. Whoa, something keeps scaring me. Okay, I don't want to go. I don't want to keep going up. I barfed like 3 times. I was sick and I barfed and I was sick again. When I'm 9 now. And now I barf in this place. Okay, there's like a lot of people. So let me pause this video. Okay, I paused like kind of long, like 1 minute, because there's a lot of people at the back. You can hear them talking. It's right there. Where's the place? Ah, it's up here. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna slip again. Trees. And some beautiful views up there again. That's too hot. Whoa! And now we're here and this is 1 people. There's still more people. Okay, now there's no more. Someone right behind me. I don't know who that guy is. But I'm not gonna show his face because he's scared. Okay, we're gonna go up there. But it's kind of dangerous because here it's really high. It's there. It's there on top there. That's the place. It's there. It's there, yeah, it's there. Now we'll just wait. And let's keep going up. And up. And up. And up. And up. Until we reach there. Not until we die. Until we reach. Oh. Remember what I said for the Simpang? Simpang 322. Remember that place. Go to that place if you want to hike here. Oh, that's really tiring. Just went. Oh, I got there. I'm gonna barf. Okay, we're almost up here. We're almost up here, so we'll just keep waiting. And a new view there. Okay, we had reached on top over here. this is gonna be the end of the video. Bye.